Now, I used to forewarn them at the beginning of FORE, forewarn their asses at the beginning of the year. My blackboard, my teaching, my whiteboard, was for teaching, not for writing down the names of naughty idiots getting caught. Because getting caught was the biggest crime in my classroom. But I have things like demerits were given in the school. If you got a demerit, 10-minute detention, I demerit them for yawning. And they'd be going like, what? I said, so you're extra. I mean, what do you mean extra? I said, no, what's this? I said, you're yawning means you're in the right hemisphere of your brain. It means that you're actually tired, you're daydreaming. I need you in the left hemisphere of the brain to be doing the work. I said, so you're not prepared for my class? Get to bed early the night. And they were like, nah. And you see these just going. So I sit there going, try to trigger the yawns across the thing, and I'm going, 10 minutes. So that